Hello, and welcome to Alleviate Dry Eye, where you can learn to take care of your eyes like it's the only pair you'll ever have. Today, we're going to talk about how to make your eyes look gorgeous this Valentine's Day, even when they're sensitive. I'm your host, Dr. Pam Terrio. I am the author of the book, Alleviate Dry Eye, and also a dry eye specialist here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Thanks for joining me today. So I want to talk about 5 things you can do to make your eyes pop, even when they're dry or sensitive when you're out for Valentine's Day. So the first thing is you can use a drop of Lumify. Lumify is a non-prescription medication that whitens your eyes. And so it'll make them look whiter and brighter. Number 2, you can make them look more open and fabulous by using a prescription medication called Upneeq. Upneeq, as I said, is prescription. It's preservative-free, once-a-day drop that lifts your lids and gives you a wider-eyed appearance in 1 drop a day. So you need to see your eye care professional for that drop, but it is fabulous. Now let's talk about makeup that you can apply to make your eyes sparkle. Okay, first, I love 2020 Beauty eyeshadow sticks. You can blend their 3 colors to make a fabulous Valentine's Day date look. I'm going to link to a picture of the blending process in the notes below. And you can top that off with Eyes Are the Story mascara. Now, I know you've heard me talk about this mascara before. I love it because it comes in a 3-pack of these mini mascaras. So you get 3 of these in 1 box because you dispose of them once a month. That keeps them clean and bacteria-free. All right, number 4, this may be the most important one. Now, before you go to sleep that night after your Valentine's Day date, you don't want to wake up with raccoon eyes. So remember to remove your eye makeup. I love these Eyes of the Story makeup remover wipes because you can put them in your purse and it doesn't matter if you're home that evening to remove your makeup or not. You'll have your makeup remover wipe with you. You can take your makeup off and the next morning you won't have those raccoon eyes. Now, what do you want to do to keep this going long term so that your eyes feel great every time you want to wear makeup, not just on those special occasions? So that would be to follow the 4 simple steps to keeping your eyes healthy and happy. And step 1 is to use preservative-free artificial tears. Step 2, cleanse your eyes with a hypochlorous spray. I like the one from 2020 Beauty called Easy on the Eyes. Love that one. Then you want to heat your eyes using a mask to loosen the oils that get trapped in our meibomian glands in our eyelids. And finally, you want to give your body the nutrition it needs. Let me reach for it. By using Hydro Eye. This is a vitamin supplement that gives your body the building blocks of healthy tears. So you take 2 tablets twice a day and your eyes have all the nutrients they need to keep themselves moisturized and feeling great. So there you have it, 5 steps to having gorgeous eyes this Valentine's Day. If you'd like to download a copy of my eye makeup remover for sensitive eyes, please go to my website at www.pamterrio.com/remover to find it there. All right, thanks again for joining me. And remember, if you take care of your eyes today, your vision will last you a lifetime. Bye for now.